So long, guys. Welcome to Coding Beetle, and here I am with the next exercise from codingbat of Java series. So the next is Diff21 or difference 21, that is given an int n, that is n is the value, return the absolute difference between n and 21, that is the difference between the number you have given and number 21, except return double the absolute difference if n is over 21. That is, if the number you have entered is more than 21, then the it will return the double of the value, that is the difference between the two values. That is, if you enter 22, let's take it, then 22 minus 21, it will be 1, but as it is greater than 21, we have to return the double of it, that is 2, 1 into 2. And if you give 19, here you can see 19, that is less than 21, it is giving the answer 2. 10 is less than 21, it is giving the answer 11. 21 is equals to 21, so it is giving the answer as 0, because 21 minus 21 in both the sides, as you see, will be 0 itself, and you will double it or not, the answer will be still same. So let's see what will be the solution. Then if n will be less than 21, then we will have to return 21 minus n. Simply, we don't have to do any modifications or anything. We will simply have to return 21 minus n, that is the value we have given, or we have to return 2 into n minus 21, because if 21 is less than the number you have entered, then the number that is greater than 21 would be first, otherwise we will get a negative number, and here it's not given that the number should be negative, so we will have to get the double of the number. So let's see what will be the solution, or if my solution is correct. It is running the code. All right, so you can see all the test, means my solution has passed all the tests they have given. See, here you can see 22, sorry, it is minus 1. If it is minus 1, then it is 21 minus 1, that is minus plus, and plus 1 is 22. And if we give a number more than 22, that is here 25, that is 25 is more than 21, and 25 minus 21 is 4, and double of 4 is 8. So in the same way, all the conditions are verified. So that's it for today, and I will solve the next solution, the next problem, in the next video. So till then, take care.